Today I'm going to make a traditional Czech spread. It's really unusual because it's made with fresh yeast. The first time my wife made it for me, because she's from the Czech Republic, unfortunately before she made it, well, as she was making it, she told me what it was, and it really put me off. The thought of yeast. So first of all, we're going to fry some chopped onions and garlic. But I regularly make this because it's absolutely delicious. I mean, you just cannot imagine what it tastes like. Quite often make it for people, and I don't tell them what it is, and I let them do a taste test, and no one has ever guessed what it is. They usually think it's some sort of cheese spread, which actually it does taste cheesy. Quite often, I mean, I always carry this dry granulated yeast that I use for putting in sauces, and again it gives it a cheesy taste. You don't want these brown, you just want them slightly translucent. The next step is to add the yeast, and you must use fresh yeast for this. You can't, whoops, a daisy. You can't use dry yeast. Just crumble it up like that, and then we just need to melt that. Like I said, it's a spread, so you usually just put it on nice crispy bread or toasted bread. Or you could even have it as a dip, I suppose, with vegetables, but I always just have it on bread. And you've got to really get this melted so as it gets a smooth, creamy texture. Start to melt down. You don't have to worry, it won't burn, it's going to melt before it burns, but try to squash. You see it's almost completely melted now. It's looking good. So the next step is you add a lightly whisked egg, but I always put some milk in first to cool it down because I don't want scrambled eggs. And then we're going to add the egg. Just get that thoroughly mixed in. Then we're going to put in some herbs. I mean, Czech people, they use, they just put dried marjoram in, but I like to use a mixture, so it's slightly different, a little bit more taste. So I use like a French Provençal mix. And to get the texture, we then add breadcrumbs. Actually, I usually make my own because I usually have some dry bread, but I just don't have any at the moment. So the best thing then is to start warming it, because the eggs do thicken it and you don't want it too clunky. You see it's starting to thicken up now. Just got to be careful, you don't want a yeast omelette. And you actually eat this when it's cold, and when it cools off it sets even more. Add a few more. Say keep stirring. That looks nice. When it cools down, it's going to be the right consistency. But remember to keep scraping it so as you don't get any burnt parts on the bottom. That's looking good. So I'm going to let this cool, and then I'm going to add some salt and a small amount of pepper and adjust the seasoning when I can taste it so as it's just right. And then it's going to be the topping for a slice of bread. Okay, let's leave that to cool. Lunchtime, and my favourite yeast spread on toasted bread. I've actually put some butter on this, but you don't have to, and I've sprinkled out some fresh parsley and chives, which again you don't have to. So let's give it a taste. I'm looking forward to this. That is really, really good. Tastes absolutely delicious. I can't, like I say, it's hard to explain the taste of it. You have to experience it yourself. But it's, yeah, it's got slightly cheesy taste. But it's something that you should really try. And if you're doing some sort of buffet or something for some family and friends, it's a good thing to surprise them. You make it in minutes, and it lasts in the fridge for quite a few days. And it's just totally something else. And if you come to the Czech Republic, you'll probably never find this in a restaurant. It's the sort of thing that people make at home, so it's hard to experience it unless you make it yourself. But I'm going to get tucked in. It tastes really, really good. I love yeast bread. Hello, it's a nice sunny day. I'm parked up by a river, and I'm just going to have a quick lunch. Luckily I've still got some of my yeast spread left, so I'm going to have that. I've just toasted some bread. That looks pretty good. A really beautiful spot, parked up by the river and not far off the road, and the best of all, there is a little supermarket just a few hundred meters away. Fantastic.